Good evening, sports fans, and welcome to the new Boggle International League. It's gonna be great! Word up, Boggle fans, welcome! Tonight I'm joined by Christina Litt, color commentator. Hey, Christina, are you excited about tonight? I call this whole league Bill. Boggle International League. Just one.
Oh, what a...
It's catchy.
Yes, it is. Bill, Mel, it all rhymes. So the B-I-L, I couldn't be more thrilled to be color commentating for.
That's a little hip for Boggle League.
Oh, jeez, there's no such thing.
So, what is with the Boggle? Why has it become so popular?
Oh my gosh, you know, with people staring at their TV screens and their phones for so long, they got tired. They got tired of doing that, I think, and now they want to play games.
Well, I think it's odd. You know, I completely forgot Boggle even existed.
And do you know what I love about the B-I-L, Bill, is that it's going to share Boggle with so many people who maybe never even heard of it. Millennials, Gen Zers, I'm talking to you.
Yeah, this is exciting. So the whole league has been formed. Tonight's the first night of the Boggle International League. Hey, and let's get right to it. I know everyone can't wait to get going. Let's check on our contestants. Today's contest pits a middle-aged fellow going up against his mother-in-law. In fact, this contest was actually put together by his wife. She'd had it up to here with the mother's fidgeting and his complaining during this tough time.
Oh, isn't that how a lot of Boggle games are arranged?
First up is Glenna Gilbert, a retired librarian who played Boggle a lot in her younger years. She switched to playing solitaire on her laptop 20 years ago.
Oh, Glenna is a hoot. She's really excited about this game, and it's no surprise that she's the favorite in this contest.
Glenna is going up against Dan Porter. He's 50 and works in the software industry. He used to play Boggle as a kid, but really hasn't even thought about it for nearly 30 years.
You know, I talked to Dan, and he doesn't think he has a shot at this. His strengths are more in lifting a bottle of beer to his lips.
And the wait is over. Here we go. Dan has won the coin toss, and he's elected to do the shake.
Oh, Mel, I love his technique. He calls it the tambourine. Such athleticism.
The shake is done, and now the tensest part of any Boggle contest.
Oh yeah, the letter reveal and timer turn. It requires flawless synchronization to ensure fair and competitive play.
And we're off! Oh my, this is exciting.
It is! Both contestants are surveying the grid.
I'm sensing that Dan is a little puzzled. I wonder what's going on.
Oh, I don't believe it. Look at that! As clear as day. It says, "Where have you been?"
This is amazing. The fans at home have to be going nuts. Will Dan get all of those long words written down?
He doesn't have much time.
What just happened? The letterbox spontaneously jumped into the air.
This is just crazy.
Let's listen in on the action.
What happened? Did you do that?
No, I didn't do anything. Didn't you see the words?
Yes, I had sob, gob, bog, air, and I was about to get a lot more.
No, there was a message. It said, like, where have you been?
You've been drinking too many of those beers, I think.
Oh my, the trash talking is getting pretty bad.
I'll say. You know, Mel, I actually love this part of the game.
Let's see that in slow motion. Oh, that was a weird first round, I've got to say.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, hang on a second. I'm getting words from our producers. Oh, and it appears, according to the rule makers, they have to do a redo because they've never seen a situation like that.
Oh, well, that totally makes sense.
It does. I don't know. What do you think made those dice pop up like that?
Who knows?
Let's get back in on the action. And it looks like Dan is going to stick with his original technique on this redo.
Oh, I think that's a smart move on his part.
Although he does look a bit nervous. And just like that, the tension and excitement builds.
It sure does, Mel. I might pass out.
Well, let's hope that doesn't happen. Oh my, I think it's happened again. The grid says Boggle is very mad.
I don't believe it. So many words organized so clear. It's unheard of. Wow, it's like Dan is cracking under the pressure.
Well, this is no time for owl impressions.
Oh, Mel, you crack me up. But this match, so much excitement.
And now it appears Dan is having some indigestion.
Maybe he had a bad burrito.
And Dan is down. He's on the floor. Do you believe this? This has to be a Boggle first.
We are seeing history right before our eyes. Oh, gee, I think the game is over.
Hey, thanks for checking our channel. Make sure you hit that like button, turn it blue, and then subscribe. That helps us big time. And if you really like us, hit the bell, because then every time we post a video, boom, you'll get an email.